Apple's taking a step ahead to make lives easier, as iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and macOS 27 will now let users set third-party AI services as the default for Apple Intelligence features like writing tools and image playground. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. According to a report, Apple has signed a deal with Google and plans to use a Gemini-based model for Apple Intelligence and Siri features in iOS 27. But users who have another favorite AI service, they can use that as an alternative. Apple's already partnered with OpenAI to make ChatGPT available in lieu of Apple's built-in options for Siri, writing tools, and image playground on iOS 26. But in Apple's upcoming software updates, other third-party chatbots like Claude and Gemini will also be available. Instead of being limited to ChatGPT, users will be able to select their preferred AI service. Users can choose any AI provider that supports Apple's new iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and macOS 27 extensions feature. Bloomberg stated, "Extensions allow you to access generative AI capabilities from installed apps on demand through Apple Intelligence features such as Siri, writing tools, image playground, and more." Apple also plans to let users choose voices from third-party AI services for Siri as well, that will make it clearer whether Siri or another AI product like Gemini is responding. Siri would use one voice, while responses from third-party AI options would use another voice. Apple has many other AI-related changes planned for iOS 27, but we have to wait until it comes to see what Apple's been hiding up in its sleeve. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.